Hey, staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, yeah, girls want girls where. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls. Hey, well, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, can I play a player, baby?
Hey y'all, it has been a few days later since I got my nails done. She ate. But yeah, it's been a few days later and my packages came of my bags, my inventory. So I kind of already opened it, but I did want to show my vlog. I want to show you what I got. Your girl is selling some purses for girls for summer. So I'm about to show y'all what they look like. I'm so excited. I had the black one before I had the rest of them. I always order one thing before I purchase like a big bulk. Yeah, y'all, this is a bag, but they're dupes with the mirrors on them. Look at the strap, y'all. So this is the black one. I've been trying to find these purses for so long, and then I was randomly scrolling one night at 3 a.m. Y'all, I was scrolling, it's like 3 a.m. Like, you know, that post where it'd be like entrepreneurs at 3 a.m. working. And I found these, y'all. I'm telling you, I've been trying to sell these for a long time. Let's get into the details. So we have the heart. That's the cutest thing on the purse. And then we have this little pouch. You can adjust the strap, how short you want the purse, how long you want it, whatever. I think I'm gonna order some stickers to put on here to say peel me. If you do purchase the purse, make sure you peel the plastic off of the heart so it can be like, you know, reflective. I'm gonna order some stickers and put peel me on here. And make sure you do it gently, babes. Do it gently. It's real easy. You just lift it up, then you just peel it off. But yeah, this is the pink bag. I'm obsessed. I ordered me a white one just to see, because they had silver and white. So I'm like, okay, let me just order one white one just to see if I like it, and then I'll add it to the collection. But they all come with dust bags. So cute. Yeah, she crispy. But see, guys, this is what I was talking about. Like, make sure you peel your plastic off. Should I add the white one to the collection? Comment down below. Hey, Slayer. That this video makes it up, because I've tried to film a few other times. Like, I created this vision board with my friend and I filmed that whole thing. It never made it up. So hopefully this video makes it up. I don't know what has been my problem lately, but I really miss slacking like on my business stuff and really everything. Esthetician school kind of been like taking over my life, but I'm almost done with it. So I'm so happy about that. Girl is a certified waxer, as you can see over there. But that's another update for another day. I just hope you guys enjoy the video. And yeah, I hope you shop for me. When the bags do drop, I'll keep y'all updated. This will probably be my first video of 2024. So hey, welcome. My name is Odyssey, if you knew. I don't even think I did my intro, but this is about to be the outro. I'm a 23-year-old entrepreneur. Yeah, I just like to sell pretty shit, really. And I am a almost licensed esthetician. Follow me on the gram, follow my business page, OdessyJ Beauty, and yeah, stay tuned for when the bags drop. I hope you enjoyed the video.